Okay guys, I'm back again and I have the magic pen. I'm going to use this pen. I'm going to make some marks. I'm going to show some more information about voila magic and how the pen works. And it's voila magic and how the pen works. And it's voila magic and how the pen works. Okay, so let's flip this around and we're going to go into some back rooms. Okay, guys, here we are in the back rooms. Okay, and I've got my little chart out here, the map of the heavens, right? And how it pertains to voila magic and the split ace. Okay, and you need to know voila is water, air, land. Okay, and then you've got land, air, water. And I've drawn this here to represent the mirror, right? Now this is pertaining to the ladder. So I've drawn the ladder over here where we have water, air, land, air, water. And it's talking about our journey that we make from the waters above. That is why the sky is blue. And we travel from the stars through the waters to the air and land in Mother Earth. Then we're birthed upon the land. Then we enter into the air and back into the waters. And that's the journey in the land of voila magic through the mirror. Okay, and I've shown the mirror before. Okay, you guys, so here we have Jack in the Box, right? And he's a prime creator. And then he's created a mirror for Paradise Earth, right? So we have essentially jacked in, and this is what we have in Paradise Earth. We have accessed the mirror, okay? So these dice are our mirror. Okay, and notice how they count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you don't see the void. Okay, like this one is 2 and 7 void. Okay, because this is a 9-dot face. Okay, and it's 9 dots all the way around. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Perfect number. Okay, so voila. Back to what it means. Okay, it can mean surprise, amusement, disbelief, wow. And the wow becomes mom. So it is a mother system, you guys. Okay. Now, pertaining to voila as well, we have voila as W-A-L, and I've broken down the code for you. It's 25W, which becomes, hold on just a second. Okay, see, this is why it's good to check your math. I wrote 25 and I should have wrote 23. Okay, so I've got 23, which becomes 2 and 3, 5. Then we got A1, and then we got L, 12, that equals 3. So you've got your A1 sauce, and you got your wall, and then you've created the 1, 3, 5, that is ace. And notice how you have ace on this side of the mirror, and then you have ace on this side of the mirror. Okay? Now when you come here, you also hit the wall, because you've got W-A-L-L. You've landed on the wall. And this is where the story of Humpty Dumpty comes in. Okay, so I've deciphered here Humpty Dumpty for you. Humpty Dumpty is 12 and 12. Okay, this is important. This is pertaining to the calendar and the 24 hours of night and day. Okay, and then you got your 202. That is your 4 for fire, earth, air, water. Okay, and on the land of voila, in the law of voila, you are the fire. You're the fire who travels up the ladder. Okay? So back over here, I've done a thing to show about the fire, earth, air, water, which is the compass, right, that we find on the Holy Cross. And we have north at the top, right? And north is Nur, which means fire. And then you have your W for water, you have your S for spirit, and you have your E for earth. And here it is. And you're the ether, that is the Father, that is the feather that is weighed upon this scale. Okay, because this is the balance beam. This is the balance beam as well. You are the balance beam. Okay, so I've also done some more information over here about voila. I've given you some more words of spelling, how voila is spelled in other ways. That way you can understand it is literally a word. And I'm following the rules of the silent W when I spell it like this. Okay. And I'm adding an H over here instead of a W. Okay. And that's important to know that you can do that because you have like where and when. You just have to know when you can do this. Okay. So voila is 1842, which equals 15, which equals 6 for the moon tag. Okay. Then you've got your 72. 72.9 for the 9 birth. And then you have your vibration of the 432 right here. And voila. So you got your ace, ace, and your split A on the wall. Humpty Dumpty, where we do the Humpty Dumpty dance. Right? So this is also pertaining to Alice in Wonderland, right? Because we're the fire, we are not ice. And ice is a statement. It's a state of the water. Okay? Now, here on the land, we can experience many different states of water, correct? So this is important for man to know because in the movie Alice in Wonderland, she does fall down the rabbit hole, right? And when she's falling down, she sees a mirror, okay? And she's falling down a tunnel, and she's following this white rabbit down the time wormhole, okay? Now, I've done White Rabbit, and I've shown how it's the moon tag 6. I've also done Jessica Rabbit here, and I have shown how it is the moon tag 6. I've also done Bugs Bunny over here, and I have shown how it is the moon tag as well. And these are all famous rabbits that we follow in time. Okay, this is pertaining to Looney Tunes and George the Washton. Okay, because that's Bugs Bunny's real name. Okay, and so we follow this white rabbit down this rabbit hole here, and notice how she starts crying and she is in the waters, right? And then she comes out of the waters upon the land, and she's asked several times, "Who are you?" Okay. And R is 18, which is 9. And U is 21. That is 3. And so you are the 369 birth because a 9 is a flip script of 6. Okay, for the 69 balance beam of the yin yang. Okay, so this is just a little bit more I wanted to share about the story of Voila upon the wheel, using the dice for Paradise Earth, and showing you the mirror and the ladder once again, and how this pertains to the split ace, which is the man in the mirror, that is you.